Yes, it's raining here right now in Freeport. The wind is gradually picking up, not that powerful yet, but it's a constant flow of wind, maybe about 5 miles per hour or so. The grass and so on are shaking. Treetops in the distance are also shaking. The true signs of the approach of Bonnie. And let me warn listeners and viewers that they should take all necessary precautions to preserve themselves, their pets, their families, and their properties, and hope that this event passes out very quickly without any casualties or damages. Until later, this is Pandit Vishnu Dev Narayan from Freeport on behalf of the citizens of Freeport, bringing you updates on Bonnie. Bye.